In this video, I'll guide you through how to back up your Gmail account. We're going to walk step by step through Google's built-in tools so you can safely save a copy of your emails and have peace of mind if anything ever happens to your account or messages. First, make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account you want to back up. Open your web browser and go to Gmail, just like you normally would to check your email. Once your inbox loads and you can see your messages, you're ready for the next part. From Gmail, we're going to move into your main Google account settings. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or your initial inside a small circle. Click that and then choose the option that says Manage your Google account. This will open a new page with all your main account controls. On this Google account page, look for the menu running along the left-hand side. Here you'll see several categories, and the one you want is labeled Data and Privacy. Go ahead and click on Data and Privacy. This is where Google keeps most of the tools related to your personal information, what's being stored, and how you can download or delete it. Once you're on the Data and Privacy page, scroll down until you find a section related to data from apps and services you use or something similar. In that area, you should see an option called Download Your Data. This is part of Google Takeout, which is the official tool for exporting copies of your information from Google services. Click Download Your Data to open it. Now you'll see a long list of Google products that can be included in your export. By default, many of them may be selected. Since this video is focused on backing up your Gmail, the first thing you'll want to do is deselect everything so you're only working with mail. Look for an option near the top that says something like Deselect All and click that. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Mail or Gmail. When you see it, check the box next to it to include your email in the backup. There may also be a settings option for mail that lets you choose whether you want all mail included or just specific labels. If you're not sure, choosing all mail is usually the safest option so that nothing important is left out. When you've selected Gmail, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. Here, you'll choose how you want Google to create and deliver your backup. You can usually pick whether the backup link is emailed to you or saved directly to a cloud storage service linked to your account. You can also choose the file type and how large each archive file should be. If you have a lot of mail, smaller file sizes can make downloading more manageable. Finally, click the button to create export. Google will now prepare a backup of your Gmail account. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on how much mail you have. When the export is ready, you'll get a notification or an email with a link where you can download your backup and save it safely to your computer or preferred storage. That's all you need to do to back up your Gmail account using Google's own tools.